Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where we will be unboxing PR packages, and I'm so excited to share this week's packages with you guys. But really quick before we do get started, if you are new, then hello, welcome to my channel. Make sure before you guys leave, you do not forget to subscribe right down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then every single Monday we do mail hauls. And make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the video goes live. I do have a massive giveaway going on right now, so I'll leave a link down below for that. But let's go ahead and get started. So very first package came from Ofra, and it says made with love in the Sunshine State. And let me grab my scissors. Oh, they have like a thing where you can tear the box down the side. And let's see what they sent over. So it says Ofra Glow Up. And I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's their new highlight kit. So here's what it looks like. And it says Ofra Glow Up Highlighter Palette. I'm trying to figure out how you get in this. Kind of looks like you would push it from the sides. Is that how you do it? Okay. Let me scoot up closer to you guys. I hate when I'm far away from the camera. Okay, yes, that is how you do it. So here's what it looks like when you open it up. And then how do you open it? Okay, here we go. Ooh, this is really pretty. I don't think I've even saw this before, like packaging wise. So here's what it looks like. It says Ofra Glow Up on it. And here you have the highlighter. So let's see what we have on the back. I have some of these. So we have Beverly Hills right here. We have Star Island, Blissful, and Rodeo Drive. So let's swatch these. Oh my gosh, these are really pretty. So here are these 3 swatched. Oh, I keep pinching my hand. I forget how freaking pigmented Ofra highlights are. I really didn't get a very good swatch on that middle one. I didn't get a lot on my finger, I guess. I was trying to be gentle with it. There we go. So there are these 3 swatches. Let's put a little bit on the face. This is the only brush I have for highlight, so hopefully this works. Ooh, you can see how pretty that is. Just gives you such a pretty glow. And then of course, you know, just depending on how you want to touch the highlight for Beverly Hills, it can come out all different ways. So thank you so much to Ofra. I feel like this is a really good travel highlight palette because you have so many different options. You can even use some of them as eyeshadows, and as you can see, the glow is gorgeous. So thank y'all so much for that package. I'm setting this to the side for my vacation. I can take it with me. And I love the packaging too. Next package came from Iconic London, and they sent over their glow drops. This is an illuminator, and I've saw these before. People, you know, on Instagram, they'll drop them on their face. So let's see what they look like. Oh my goodness. This looks like highlight heaven. Look how beautiful. Oh, super duper shiny and highlighty. You can definitely cause a scene with this. Thank y'all so much. And next package we have is from Beauty by Pop Sugar, and I always love their flower tape. I almost can't open the dang box. Okay, so they sent over a little kit of a few different items. So it says, here is the newest addition to the lip care family, Lip Bloom. It is a balm blooms into perfect pink hue based on your pH. The formula is enriched with vitamin E, sunflower seed, jojoba seed oil to keep your lips soft, and the TLC they deserve while rocking your own unique shade. I'm not going to put this on my lips just right now because I literally just put this lipstick on. But here is what it looks like, and it is a lip balm, so let's just go ahead and put it on the skin. Feels very hydrating. Smells really good. As you can see, it's just like a really pretty balm tint. I'll have to wear this and let you guys know what kind of shade it gives me. But there is on the hand. And then they also sent over a lip scrub and a Be Calm Lip Save, which is a nourishing moisturizer. So thank y'all so much for this package. They have some really awesome makeup. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. They've been out for a little while now, and they're sold in Ulta, I believe, but they have some really neat products, so definitely make sure to try them out. Next, we have a box from Dermalogica. Okay, so it says, are you a multitasker? And it has a couple different masks on it. Ooh, I think this is like a mask brush. So they sent over the multivitamin power recovery mask. And this one says it is revitalizing restorative mask with vitamin A, C, E, and F. Then the next one they sent over is the skin hydrating mask. And this one says refreshing hydrating mask that restores and smooths stressed skin. And then the last one is a charcoal rescue mask. And this one says it is a 2-in-1 mask that detoxes and exfoliates with physical and chemical exfoliation. So thank you so much to Dermalogica. I have been using quite a bit of their skincare lately, and they did actually send me a big box of skincare. I'll probably show you guys that in next week's haul, but I'm very excited. I'm switching over some of my skincare to try a routine that they actually specifically made for me. So I'll talk about that in the next video, but thank y'all so much for this package. Next package we have is from Revlon. It says plush it real good. Ooh, okay. So they sent over this little kit and it says Revlon Cushion Lip Tint. Let's open this up. Delivers a moisturizing tint with balm-like finish that dries down for an ultimate stain lip look. And they have a bunch of different colors in here. Let's try one out on the hand. That is like my shade. All right, I guess we're gonna go with this one. Okay, so here's what this one looks like. I'm gonna pull off the packaging here. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And, oh, you know what? Nope, how do I guess it's supposed to come through this applicator. Nope, starting to darken. Here it goes. Okay. Oh, this is actually a really pretty color. So here's what it looks like. And it goes onto the lips and it's supposed to leave them like stained, but it smells really good. So here's this one, and this is the color pink. This is called Rose Pour. I think it's called Rose Pour. Pink IRL/Rose Pour. 220 is the shade name. So there is that. And thank you so much, Revlon. I'll definitely have to try out the other shades, but you guys know pink is more of my color. And this actually goes a long way because what I pushed up, I kept kind of like, it's going to be a really good balm-like look. So thank y'all so much for that package. Next thing we have is the Allure Beauty box. So it says the Best of Beauty Allure winner. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, first thing, oh my gosh, this is a good box. First thing I see are these Tarteist Pro lashes. And this is the style Center of Attention. Very pretty. Next, we have the Drunk Elephant TLC Baby Facial, which y'all know is like holy grail. It's so awesome. It is literally like a facial in a bottle. The next thing we have, oh, this is the IGK Coconut Oil Gel. So it says the oil-infused gel is the foundation in creating the hydrated, lived-in, undone hair of right now. I love IGK products. They have some really, really good hair products. This is probably one of my favorite boxes that I've ever gotten. I mean, they always have really good boxes, but this is like really, really, really good. So the next one we have is some lash glue to go with the lashes. And then they even sent over a MAC lipstick. So thank you so much. This box is really awesome. Let's just look at the lipstick. Ooh, it is a really pretty red shade. So thank y'all so, so much. I cannot wait to use these products, especially the TLC because it's a travel size and y'all know how much I love that product. Seriously, one of the best Allure Beauty boxes. I'm in love. Next thing came from Beautycounter, and you guys, like, I don't even know what the mail person did to this box because, like, that is ridiculous. So here's what the box looks like, even though it's a little bit messed up. Ooh, ooh. Here is what the package looks like. It came in a really nice box too. So they sent over a couple different things, and I don't know if I've heard of Beautycounter. It says clear is here. Well, I need that because my face has been a little crazy lately. So they sent over a overall acne treatment, a gel cream, a pore cleanser, a toner, and then a SOS acne spot treatment. So thank y'all so much. If you guys have tried this brand or heard of them, let me know down below, but I'm excited to try them out, and I love that they like kind of put everything in one box so I can just take it up front into my skincare. All right, next package we have is from Origins. Okay, so it says Good and Green Origins. Did they put any kind of, sometimes they put like a cue card. Yes, they did. Ooh, it says Need to Relax, the hydrating mask that won't leave you high and dry. And it says, hello, calm. Origins' first ever mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil from hemp. Okay. So here's what it looks like. And it says instantly calm in a mask. Non-intoxicating cannabis seed oil from hemp. It is rich in essential omega acids and anti-irritants. And it is made for helping treat the skin concerns such as dryness and irritation. So I will have to try this out. This is a brand new product from them. I know a lot of companies are doing the like cannabis infused stuff. I know Milk kind of did some stuff like that. So thank you so much to Origins. I'm excited to try that out, especially because my skin, it is so dry and awful in the summer. Not in summer, in the winter. It is so dry and awful in the winter. Okay, my drawer came out. Very last package came from, ooh, Marc Anthony, and it says K-bye on it. So it says, time to say bye-bye to frizz and hello to your new frizz-fighting Holy Grail products. So we have a blow-dry cream. I love the packaging. We have a Bye-Bye Frizz hairspray. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. Oh, we have a keratin smoothing shampoo and conditioner. Totally just hit myself in the face. And then we have a leave-in conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners. And then last but not least, we have a 8-in-1 serum. So thank you so much to Marc Anthony. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. And I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.